Okay, I'm just going to show you the controller here. The controller is how I tell it how I want it to fire. They have preset firing schedules. I can go to the Express, and it's got coefficiency 96, which I want. It says soft, which I don't want, so I'm going to put it up to full fuse. Then I'm going to go to a cast, which is a very long period of time. Soft. Maybe I didn't hit that. Okay. And I want to do that because it's just two pieces, and I'm going to the 6 mil full fuse. I'm just going to go medium time, which isn't too slow. So I'll hit enter, and then I'll go and hit enter, and now she's running. It'll heat that glue up a little bit. It'll just kind of dry it out and keep everything together. Thank you for watching.